What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Still at the Ontario Mills. Third video here. Because they do have a couple other outlets that might be interesting for y'all. Let's go take a look. We are starting with the Reebok outlet, man. The Reebok outlet out in freaking Citadel has been having all kinds of dope stuff. Alright, let's go see what they got, man. See what they got. Let's go Pumps and Iversons. Let's go Pumps and Iverson. That's the big things I look for when I come here. Size 10, 10 and a half. You got these Workout Plus right here. This is what, $85. You do get 50% off. Pretty bright. I do like the silhouette, but yeah, these are not. You got the cracked leather. These are Amon Manier workouts. I don't think so. You got these right here. These look dope. The classic leathers with that extra long hair suede, extra suedey. What these going for? Size 12, $75. All right, looks like this visit to this store is gonna be pretty quick. You got the Question mids and the awful colorway 130 right here. Size 9, size 8.5 bunch. Then do got some hot ones right here. This is a size 10, go for $130. These definitely are spicy. Man, does have the Scoville scale right there. 2 million. Is that not the ghost pepper? I don't know. But yeah, they're here. They're on sale. Dang, they just got like the more current stuff, the Zig Tech stuff, the Zig Wild. That's it, man. And nobody's really into this stuff, right? They abandoned all the regular sports for just CrossFit and stuff, and like they really have nothing. They have nothing. All right, let's go. Citadel's the only one worth hitting apparently. I don't even see any like the OG stuff. You got fleece. Got some hoodies. Like they're super thin. $20 though. That's not too bad. Got different colors. All right, so in the aisles, they don't really have that many sales. Look, like all regular price. I don't see any sales freaking listed anywhere. So it doesn't look like they got the best deals right there. But in the clearance section, different story. Totally different story. Do have some funky things like these. Like really? Like the laces go around the thing and then there's a freaking zipper. What's the point of laces if there's a zipper? And then it's alligator skin, all right? So they got weird stuff like this. Size 9 men's, 10.5 women's, $30. Look how many times it's been marked down. Been marked down like 5 times. But they got regular stuff like this. This is like a really, really fine, what linen material? I don't know what the hell material this is. But definitely not the regular canvas. $25 for these, normally $45. Pro leathers. Ooh, this is a Ray Gun Pro leathers going for $30. Yeah, I think these normally go for like $75. Black with the blue trim. Normally $65 down to $55. Ooh, this is pretty dope. Is that suede? This is a suede one right here going for $40. Normally freaking, what? This is normally like $65, right? So that's not bad. Up to the size 10s. Some crazy print on these, going for $60. I've never seen these before. Look at this heavy duty Converse. Wow. $110 for these, normally $130. Ray Guns, more Ray Guns, going for $40. These are 9.5. Back to the 10s. Some alligator print. Never seen that before. $45, normally $75. I remember these. These are a collab with somebody. I forgot who it was. Just for laughs, I think, just for giggles, something like that. But yeah, these are all suede and yeah, $65, normally $90. Then they got these. This is I think my favorite one I've seen so far. $55 for those. Remember the Chuck sizing, hella crazy, hella weird. I went down a full size on mine, I think. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Do got these crazy things right here going for $70, normally $80. Oh, that's a Chuck 70. That's not. Size 11s. I've never even seen these before. Obviously based off a Chuck 70 because the quality on this is like amazing. Suede in the front. After the stitching, that is buck leather and then some other material on top. Okay. Normally $100 down to $75. Do got some canvas ones right here going for $50, normally $60. Set size 11, right? Yeah, got some camo ones right here, $50 for these, normally $60. I've never seen these going for $30. They look like regular shoes. These don't look like Converse. More gray ones. Ooh, not a Chuck. Going for $60 normally. don't know what the, normally 70, I guess. Size 13's got some check 70s right here, going for $70, number 85. Pro leathers, 50. These things I've never seen. $80 the retail price. Blue chuck 70 lows. These are size 16, go for 70 bucks. More size 16, go for 60 right there. Comes with extra dirt at no cost. We didn't check into the smaller size for the women, size 8. Going for size 8 men's, 10 women's, $30. This is, I don't know what this is, what material this is. I think it's just like linen. I don't know. Okay. Got some mocha. And then, what is that? Like a teal? I don't know. 55 for those. We saw these earlier. 70 for those. 69.97. Got some cow print right here. Going for $35. Normally 65. Got some suedes. Going for 30. I don't know what the hell this is. Yeah, $30 for these. Size 8 women's. Size 6 men's. Got some half shoes right here. Some slipper looking things. $35 for these. It's 8.5. Okay. It says 8.5. Oh, 8.5 women's. Oh, I don't know why I was so confused right there. What the hell? Ooh, these are definitely interesting. Size 9 women's. Going for 70 bucks. Ooh, now we're getting into really weird stuff. Got like My Little Pony looking things right there. Going for 35. That's a size. That's a size 5 junior. So I think that's a size 5 men's. Size 5 men's, size 7 women's. Oh, this is 7.5. Just some regular black ones. These are going for 50, only $5 off. Damn, that's like crazy how expensive those regular ones are, dude. And everybody still buys them. These are definitely interesting. What the hell? Like regular leather, then faux snakeskin leather on the back and the tongue. Okay. 65 retail for those. So size, what is that? 6 women's, 4.5 men's. So over there it's 2 size difference. Over here it's a size 1.5. That's just weird. Suede going for 40. More for men's right here, going for $30. Got these slipper looking things. Another one of those. 30 bucks. Ooh, got some video game ones right here. Got some Nintendo graphics right there, going for 35. That's a size 4 men's or kid. All right, so as I said earlier, the classic stuff, no sales. All the chucks going for 60 bucks. Got a ton of colorways. Got the highs going for 65. All right, I think that's about it. All right, let's on to the next one. They have a hat store. I've never seen that place. Haven't been here in a while. And then we're at a freaking outlet mall and they have a resale shop here. I never understood that. They do have one at the Citadel as well, and there's actually a bunch of people there. All right, that's what tells you things have changed, because this is an outlet mall. It's kind of weird. All right, let's go check out some other sneaker shops. Now we do got Adidas, 50% off, store-wide. All right, let's see what they got. Man, look at the crowds. All right, let's check out the clearance section. Rarely ever works out, but let's try it anyways. They got those huge ones that even protect your kneecaps. These are the way OG ones. I don't see a price though. This one I think does have a price on it. $140 for these, 50% off. Okay, I don't know. This is just, man, these are heavy as hell too. The Y3 trails right here go for 100 bucks. Yeah, okay, these are definitely interesting. These are some rugged trail hiking shoes or trail running, I don't know, but okay. Got an autograph on it, definitely interesting. Human Race Stan Smiths right here. Oh my god, let me put them back. $150 for these. All right, everything I'm pulling out not really working out. Like really $130 for these. That's size 8.5. Got some Stan Smiths, some regular shoes finally. Size 8.5 going for 90. I don't know about that color. A bunch going for $90. A bunch of Ultra Boost, or a few 90 Boost, a few Ultra Boost. So that's hella cheap. Any Ultra Boost for 100 bucks, solid deal. Now look at this one, $130. You do get freaking 50% off. Wow, that's what's up. They do have my size. Dang, this was $65. 65 bucks for Ultra Boost. Let me repeat that. $65 for Ultra Boost. Holy crap, that's actually pretty dope. $130 for these, $90 for those. Then like Solar Guys, that type of stuff. $130, 50 off. Supernovas. Dang, that's the Ultra Boost section, pretty dope, but everything else, eh. Looking for some comfy shoes with leather on top, and I thought these were it, but nah, this ain't it. This ain't it. All right, these are 140. These are the Clima Warms, 140 to get 50 off. Women's Ultra Boosts. Okay. Are these women's or are these men's? I don't know. Maybe these are men's. They only have men's Ultra Boosts today? They don't have any women's? Because I'm in the women's section. Yeah, this looks like it's just men's. Even though it's in the women's section right here. Some 20s. These are 21s. What the hell? Oh, that's not for that. I guess that's for that. And then this is on the bottom. And then the Washington ones go for $130. Do got Superstars in the men's section. But it says girls are awesome. For the ones that guys are... This is for the ones that guys are gonna wear? Are you serious? 80 bucks, 50% off. No wonder why they're not selling. Superstars, okay. Go for $110, that's a Flyknit version. And then the OG stuff, not on discount, $95. None of the colorways are on sale, man, that's checked up. The ZK2K Boost, people talk about how comfortable these are. Does have full length boosts. Does have boosts in the back. I thought it didn't because of this, but okay. Those are $120 to get 50% off of $120. And then for the women, just two pair of Ultra Boosts, $90 for those, $130 for those, and then that's it. Another one right there, and then Solar Glides and everything else. Damn, I think that's about it, yo. I'm gonna have to wrap it up. Lines are crazy here as well. Line starts all over there, goes all the way around. Damn, crazy. All right, let's wrap it up.